Hello guys, let's read this article. 7 Habits of Highly Ineffective Programmers. So are you committing the crime against the code by writing this ineffective code? Or if you are ineffective, so we'll find this kind of programmers. So keep secrets. You want to keep secrets because you don't want other people to know your secrets. If people know about your secrets, then it's not a secret anymore. So if you keep the secrets in the code, then you have a job security, because other people won't know how you do the things, or at least other people would get in trouble if they want to fire you, but it's bad. The secret lore of the app is the programmers don't share, and even they can dismiss with the comments like they have obfuscated that. So keeping secret is a bad sign of a programmer who is ineffective. So if you adopt at another design pattern, so you just add design pattern to solve the problems, even if it's an easy one, which don't require. So all the problems can be hidden with extra layer of indirection. You can hide the layout and the architecture inside the another layers. I think the current applications are just like this, that they are hidden on many layers. But if it works, then it works. It still, it's a sign of ineffectiveness. And ineffective doesn't mean it's not working. If it's ineffective, but if it's working, then it's our choice. But still, should be effective. What's new? They are trying to get along with the new technology, and the old stuff may still work, but still these old things don't impress the clients. The clients have a thing of trying out new things for their work. And if you are clever, you also get paid to write out same software again and again. But people are not fools like that they spend money and their wealth on the same thing over and over again. Don't let testing get in the way of more code. So you don't want to test your code and then run your tools again. But testing is a way of being efficient. Testing is a sign of being efficient. But again, the testing code should be maintained again, because that's also the code, and it adds the loads to the person or the organization and saves you from the problems that might occur later. But again, tests should be maintained, and people might not pay you to write tests. They could hire you to solve the problems. But if you can write tests, then it saves some time, or it can save you a lot of time. Write once, then don't touch. Yeah, if it works, it works. And changing anything, I think these things are mostly useful, or these things occur when there is a single person writing the code, if there is team and if there is enough cost, we are anyone who can pay to have a development team, these kinds of events won't occur, or the team might disintegrate because they have been trying to understand the mess that is created by the code. So if you are a single person, then these kinds of things occur. Also, when you don't have a code review, then this kind of problems can occur. If at first you don't succeed, copy and paste. Yeah, you will cobble together a combination of keywords and get some free code. Comments are for suckers. Yeah, there is code. Why is comment required? You are a god, so you can understand what you have written in the code, and the machine just runs code. It won't run your comments. And if you can read the code, then you can understand what it is doing. It's bad. It also helps the habit zero, that keeping things secret. So you might add or rarely use to do comment to check, and also you might not remove that thing to do comment, so that you are confused yourself. It's the end user's fault. It's the fault of users. It's not fault of the person who have written the code. So these are the 7 signs of the ineffective programmer. This can be solved if you have a code review between the multiple persons. But if you are a bad person, or if you don't want to share your secret, then you might be some kind of hindering the progress of the team, or you might get fired if the organization wants to succeed. Anyway, so if there is any one of these seven rules or 7 characters of a person, then they are ineffective, because they are hindering the organization, they are hindering the code, and they are hindering the growth of an organization. Thank you, guys.